50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 32. Forgiving yourself. Lord, help me to forgive myself for past mistakes and shortcomings. Grant me the ability to move forward with a renewed sense of self-love and acceptance. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Be grateful for the present moment, it's a gift.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Support local initiatives that promote sustainable living and environmental education.
For unity for a happier world.
Today, let us celebrate the diversity that enriches our world and strive for unity in our differences.
What is the purpose of our life?
Our presence in this world is a chance to leave behind a legacy of justice, equality, and compassion.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima.